I'm sorry, we're testing it.
No, you don't test on our street. We have children.
Ford, fix or repair daily. Ford, found on road dead.
Well, boys, you heard it here first. And I guess girls, if you're watching, it's only been a day or two and it's already dead on the road. So maybe GM's the way to stick with. This is a great intro to the next episode. We didn't bring tow straps big enough. So my dad's gonna race home, grab those real quick. Luckily, we're only in the subdivision, so we're gonna tow the car back and then try to diagnose it there, but I'm not really sure what happened to it. From the sound of it, my dad took it out like a mile, ran great there, came back, it started stuttering and died, and he actually coasted it into the subdivision. So now it won't crank at all. In fact, the battery's starting to get weak. So we're gonna try to get it back and hopefully diagnose it a little bit, but with these old motors, you never know what it is. At least it looks good sitting here. So while we're waiting for him, just keep an eye on the car. There's actually a cop waiting down there. I don't know what he's up to, but we had an issue with it before. The points, the dwell wasn't set up correctly, and we adjusted that and it ran great, started up, ran fine, but as soon as it gets warm, it seems like it starts to die. So could be a coil issue. It could be a few different things. On these older motors with carburetors and points and mechanical fuel pumps, you never really know sometimes. Here we go. Hang on. I'm jumping over the rope. See how this goes. Let me roll back. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna record the rest of this dialogue back at my house because there's a cop up there, and technically I'm on my phone and I'm driving, so let's just try to get it home safe. Well, guys, here she is. Got her back home in the garage. Second time breaking down in only a couple days of ownership. Ford living up to its name of found on road dead. Hopefully it doesn't continue in that fashion, but at least it's home. So now I've got some diagnosis to do to hopefully get it running right again, because it runs great when it's first cold, but it seems like after it warms up, it has some problems. So I don't know how I made it back 40 miles with the car, but I did. So last time we had this problem, it ended up being the point. So let's go ahead and pop this off. Ooh, Ford GT. Let's see. Here we go. So, for those of you that don't know what points are, that is the points adjustment that I just learned about too. And that's what the problem was last time. I guess we'll measure the dwell again, which is the distance between that, and hopefully it's the same. If it's not, hopefully it's not the same. No, that's our problem, but. Okay, guys, so I had a thought. I'm gonna turn the charger on. My thought was, the car's hot right now. Last time I had this problem, it was the points. The points have been fixed, now it's having the problem again. Could it be the coil? My dad has a higher coil, or bigger, higher cranking coil from one of his other cars. So I'm gonna put this back on. Distributor cap back on. Way bigger coil. Little coil. Go in there. Yep. Try it. All right. Fingers crossed. Watch out for the fan. Can I kill it? Yeah, I can. I tried. She doesn't want to run.
It seems better with this coil, but
Something else is still going on.
well, it could be that it got out of adjustment. This choke plate's wide open.
Because I'm a car guy, but I like looking at cars. You guys actually know what the hell you're doing.
Well,
We
practice makes perfect. So we grounded a spark plug and got no spark. Put this thing back on. Do you have your feeler gauges?
I do. Can you see it? Are they?
They're gapping.
Are they closed? No, they're not closing all the way, are they? Can you see light through them
I'm trying to see.
when they're closed?
No.
You can't see light?
No, they're completely closed.
Oh, okay, so they're working.
Okay, so I think we solved the problem, or my dad did, I should say. The distributor guru. The vacuum advance wasn't working. You can see this whole piece is rotating now. Before, whoever installed it put a longer screw here. There's a long screw and a short screw. They put the longer screw in here, so it was touching and making contact and shorting out when this would advance. When the car got warmer, that's why it would die when it got warm. So we're gonna put it back together and hopefully it fires up and runs a lot better now. Well, you guys hear it. Sounds good. Sounds really good. All right, we're gonna try it out now with the vacuum advance. It wasn't working before. It already sounds way better, night and day different. Hopefully we don't get stuck again. All right, I got my videographer here. Here's the maiden voyage. Hopefully she doesn't die on us.
Again.
It already sounds a lot better. Look at the gauge lights work. That's kind of cool. Like green. Oh, you can't see it on the camera because of the flash. This thing idles a lot better. All right, we're gonna give her the beans. It chirped the tires. How cool is that? Actually, we're turning the driveway. It's got a lot more power, that's for sure. careful. I don't think the neighbors want the sound of bald eagles.
In their driveway. Just about to yell at you.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, we're testing it.
No, you don't test on our street. We have children.
I know.
Dogs, animals. You don't drive like that in here.
It's a loud car. It's just old. I didn't mean to chirp the tires. That was unintentional. I'm sorry. I live here too. That wasn't my intent. Seriously, we just got the car running, and I was taking it for a ride down the street. It's a loud old car. I didn't think it was going to do that. In all seriousness, because I see the posts on the Facebook page. I'm not trying to cause trouble. I wanted to see if the car would run right. I truly didn't think it would do that. We got it 2 days ago. No, I will. Like I said, that wasn't the intent at all. I didn't mean to cause anything. Have a nice night.
Look at the hole.
All right, boys. Well, the neighbors weren't too happy with that, but the car runs pretty well. Obviously, if they heard it. She wasn't too thrilled, but you know. That was cool.
I cut it.
Maiden Voyage Part 2. The neighbors definitely weren't a fan.
Not too happy.
No, they don't like the sound of America.
Bald eagles.
What's gonna be funny is when he rips down the street and she comes back out and it's my dad driving. Let's get this ending. Oh, we got the LT1 4 flat. It's really just a 4-banger.
Yeah. Gotta stay incognito.
Incognito. We didn't get it on camera, but he definitely laid a patch in Mexico. Not here, not where neighbors can hear, of course.
Never.
No, that would never happen.
Never at the chance.
How was she?
Good.
Reverse lights don't work. Look at how it reflects in the camera. Isn't that cool with the flash?
Oh yeah.
Look at the side of the car. The whole thing's reflective. That's actually kind of sick.
Next scrap idea?
Yeah, right? All right, guys, that's it for tonight. The car died, came back to life, and irritated some neighbors. So I think it's definitely doing its job.
It's a lot better put it in the garage when you don't have to push it.
Yeah, right. If you think that neighbor needs a little bit more bald eagles in her life, like this video, comment below, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.